Hello. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So today, let us see the how and what is our complete syllabus first, because we had some initial things, but today we are going to check out our complete syllabus
Okay.
for chakra astrology.
Okay.
And well, here is the syllabus.
Okay.
First, you would find that some of the things we have already covered, but we can cover them in a greater details, definitely.
Okay.
First part is chakras,
Mhm.
meaning of chakras
Mhm.
and look of chakras.
Okay.
Then the 7 main chakras.
Mhm.
I've already explained you that
Mhm.
the aura,
Mhm.
just like Earth has atmosphere around us, we have atmosphere around us, and that is called as aura.
Yeah.
Just like you put a bucket full of water into a basin or sink, you would find that it goes down forming a vortex. Like that,
Mhm.
when any kind of new energy is entering into our system, it enters forming a vortex, and it goes in through the chakras,
Okay.
because chakras are the entry points.
Okay.
Now, on every joint, there is a chakra. We have
Mhm.
got 206 bones. That means there are so many joints, and every joint, the inside part of the joint is the front part of the chakra, the back of the part is, that is the other end
Mhm.
of the joint, is the back chakra. Like
Okay.
here, if this finger bends, this is a front chakra, this is a back chakra. Like that,
Okay.
on every joint, there are front and back chakras. But
Okay.
but the main 7 chakras are located on our central nervous system, that is from brain and spinal cord, because they are the points from where our major cranial nerves originate.
Okay.
And that is because these are the points which control our entire body.
Okay.
Right? This is a basic thing. Now,
Okay.
these 7 main chakras and
Mhm.
their colors and their
Okay.
positions, I have already explained, but I will still tell you. This
Okay.
is crown on the top,
Okay.
third eye, it has got front and
Okay.
back. Throat has got
Okay.
front and back. Then heart
Mhm.
chakra
Mhm.
has got front and back. Then on the
Mhm.
diaphragm point, that is
Mhm.
where the rib bones finish and the stomach begins. That is the
Okay.
point where our
Mhm.
Manipura chakra is located. On the front side, it
Okay.
is front Manipura, and back side, it is back Manipura. Then two
Okay.
fingers below the navel is the
Mhm.
Swadhisthana chakra.
Okay.
Again, front and back it has got.
Okay.
And in below, between the two legs, between the two openings,
Okay.
there is a small point called perineum. There,
Mhm.
the root chakra is located. Muladhara,
Okay. Okay.
which goes down.
Okay.
So crown goes up, root goes down.
Mhm.
And all these 5, they are
Mhm.
front and back openings.
Okay.
That means the between 5 chakras have 10 openings, 2 openings
Okay.
each.
Okay.
So these 10 plus 1 and 2, that is how altogether we have got 12 openings of the chakras.
Okay.
And we have 12 rashis also, remember.
Okay.
Now, front part of the chakras,
Mhm.
they represent what we do.
Okay.
and back of the chakra
Mm.
represent what others do to us.
Mm. Mm.
It doesn't mean what others do to us. It means how we interpret the behavior of others towards us.
Okay.
See, again, how to keep the back chakras healthy. Sometimes,
Okay.
because it depends on the behavior of others, people feel that keeping the back chakra healthy depends on other people.
Okay.
Yeah, in a way, yes, you can say fine. But how others behave is one thing. How we interpret that behavior is another thing.
Okay.
If we are a positive person, whatever the other person may do, we can interpret that behavior in a positive way and see our benefit into it and say thank you to that person.
Okay.
If we have that attitude, our back chakras always stay healthy.
Okay.
If we don't have that attitude, however people might be supporting us, our back chakras generally get into a messy situation because we always feel that people are negative towards us. Right?
Right.
Now, how the chakras impact the life, how the chakras impact health, and how the chakras impact emotions. See, first of all, I would say we have seen the combinations of astrological chart and chakras definitely, but unless and until we see how the chakras impact our life and health and emotions, we cannot move further. Would you agree?
Agree.
And unless we see causes of balance and imbalance in the chakras that are into the health, that are into the attitudes, and that are also into the external and internal energies. Unless and until we understand these causes, we cannot know how to keep the chakras healthy.
Okay.
Right? Because when we are doing the chakra astrology, we should first have the concept of chakras clear, and we should first also have the concept of astrology clear. And once these two concepts are clear, then we can go ahead. Is that right? Then we are, so astrology. First of all, how the concept, we are going to see. I mean, right now, I just recapped what we have already done. 2-3 things. Impact of chakras on life, we are yet to do in greater detail. Okay. Meaning, the 7 main chakras and 12 openings we have done. So I just did a quick recap of that.
Okay.
And then we will go to further points. After that, we are going to start from impact of chakras from tomorrow.
Okay.
So today we will see astrology. What exactly is astrology? That means how the concept of astrology originated, because you would find that astrology is not present only in India. In India, of course, we have got 2 systems, our regular system and KP system, yes. But all over the globe, there are different systems of astrology. And with different names, all people through the globe, they have one thing in common, is they do have 12 zodiac signs. Their names are different. All right?
Right.
Our Mesh Rashi is called as Aries in English.
Yeah.
That's fine. But it is the same. They talk about the same constellation. Understand that.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So the concept of zodiac sign is the same all through.
Mm-hmm.
And planets are also seen. That concept is also the same. Now, in the present new astrology, the newly discovered planets, that is Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Some people include them also into the birth chart. Some people don't include. But that's fine. And what are the basis of predictions? We have to check that also in the astrology, because I would always say that I'm just going to tell you a very, very common saying, and that is history repeats. Would you agree?
I agreed. Even genetically also the same thing.
History repeats.
Okay.
Now,
In the genetic study,
yes,
there is something called your genetics tells you about what your,
I'm telling
triads pass on to.
agreed.
Yeah.
That is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
history repeats. That means whatever had happened to us in the past life or past lives keeps on repeating almost in every life.
Okay.
Because our basic attitudes remain the same.
Okay.
And because we have the same basic attitudes, we keep on attracting the same type of energies, and we have similar type of experience.
Okay.
A simple thing.
Okay.
Okay. Like I would say one thing. Have you seen people telling a lie?
Yeah.
Why do the people tell a lie? Just like
Actually,
that?
they have to. No, they have to be in the. They have a zone which is very, comfortable zone. So if they know like it is flickering from that, then they will tell lies to bring into that particular comfortable
No.
zone.
I would say one thing. Do the people tell a lie to everyone?
If have a attitude, right, to usually they will do that.
I would say one thing. When you
Yeah.
are interacting with someone,
Mm-hmm.
we first judge and gauge what the
Mm-hmm.
person wants to listen.
Mm-hmm.
And if we find that other person wants to listen a specific thing, and what you have to share is contrary to that specific thing, you know that the other person is not going to accept it.
Okay. Yeah.
And if that other person has got a very strong attitude or habit of reacting very strongly, and you are afraid that the reactions of that person may harm you, then in order to protect yourself, you tell what that person wants to listen.
Yes.
You don't care whether it is truth or lie.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
Now, if such a person says that people always tell lie to me, it is not a mistake of the other people. It is the tendency of this person which attracts a lie. You understand?
Yeah.
So, when I say that history repeats, it is the tendency of the person reflected into the chakras and they attract specific reactions of the people.
Okay.
And they attract specific events in the life of a person. Understand that. Now, how this happens, we are going to check out when we are talking about the basis of prediction.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Yeah.
we are going to check chakra and planet relation. I told you. This is part of it we have covered. We are going to go into greater details. I have told you the 7 planets, starting from Sun, Moon, Mars. Sun is connected with root chakra, Moon is connected with Swadhisthana chakra, Mars is connected with solar plexus, that is Manipur chakra. Then Mercury is connected with our heart chakra, Vishuddha chakra.
Okay.
Jupiter is connected with the throat chakra.
Okay.
Venus is connected with the third eye chakra, Agya chakra. And Saturn is connected with the crown chakra.
Okay.
That I have already explained you. And the colors of those planets and the colors of those chakras, how they match, I have told you. We have also seen Rahu and Ketu as the axis.
Okay. Once again, you tell me the colors.
Pardon?
Color, once again.
Vibgyor.
So the violet is Saturn, huh?
Violet is Saturn.
Okay.
Vibgyor. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Okay.
That way.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Then, how the planets influence the chakras.
Okay.
Do the planets really influence the chakras, or what exactly do we mean when a planet is influencing the chakra? What are the traditional planet way to correct the chakras?
Okay.
Traditional ways. If you have a specific ailment, wear a specific stone or do a specific puja. That's a traditional way. Now, what is our way? What is the chakra astrology way to correct a planet or zodiac sign and chakra problems? All this we are going to see here.
Okay.
After we see all this, then we are actually going to writing of the chart.
Okay.
That is finding an astrology chart from a software. There is a Kundali software available everywhere, you know, on AstroSage. So there are lots of softwares like that, like AstroSage. You can find out. And from the birth date and time and place, the astrological chart is made. So that is not a rocket science. You can get it from the app. What is important is how we have to interpret them. So the 2 main types of writing the astrology charts, that is, we saw just some days back, the regular Indian method and the KP method.
Yeah.
We saw that. Then the types of charts, like Janma Kundali, Rashi Kundali, Navamansh Kundali, etc.
Okay.
Why the charts are written like that and what we are going to check. We are not going to check Rashi Kundali and Navamansh Kundali and all that. We check only the Janma Kundali.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the concept behind chakra way of writing the charts and our chakra way of writing the birth chart, that we are going to check later after we finish all these things.
Okay.
I have already given you a brief introduction of it, but we are going to go into details over there. Then the internal journey. See, this is very important. The internal journey of planets and zodiac energies. What they say in the traditional astrology, so and so planets, they have Sharashtak Yoga and Navapancham Yoga and stuff like that. That is, they are connected with each other in 6-8 or 9-5 way. But in addition, we are not going to do all those things. We are going to see how and what happens when the chakra or the zodiac or planet energy does not enter in the home town. If it enters elsewhere, just like suppose you are coming from somewhere. Okay. Suppose if we go to US and you are landing, if you're coming back from US, you take a flight from New York and your flight lands at Delhi. You take a connecting flight from Delhi to Mumbai. That's fine because you stay in Mumbai. Okay. That is also fine. So once you land in Mumbai or once you land in Delhi, then if you are staying at Dombivli or Badlapur or wherever, you travel to your home by road, correct?
Correct.
Exactly like that. The chakras, the planet or zodiac energies, after they land in a specific chakra, internally, they travel to their hometown. Okay? Yeah. And it is that travel path that actually has a very great significance, which the traditional astrology has totally missed out. So we are going to discuss that in the 5th part of our study. First, comparison of aspirations of astrology houses and chakras. We are going to compare both. We did that quickly in the first session, but we are going to do it in details.
Okay.
The original positions of zodiac signs in the chakras. The original positions of planets in the chakras. I mentioned these, but we are going to do that in a greater details.
Okay.
Then the journey of zodiac signs in the chakras. Like what happens if number 1, Aries is not here, but if it is here, or if it is here, or if it is here, or if it is there, then what actually happens? We are going to see that with practicals.
Okay.
Okay. And then we are going to see the interpretation of internal journey. First, we have to see the internal journey, mark it. Then we are going to interpret that. We are going to interpret the internal journey. So effect of entry of energy and its internal journey. Entry of planet energy and journey to its destination, what exactly it is and how it happens. Entry of zodiac energy and its journey to its destination. And effect of journey of planet energy, effect of journey of zodiac energy. These things we are going to see in greater details for every planet. Okay? And then as we come to the concluding segments of the session, last 10 sessions, we are going to do these things. 1, reading of the birth chart on the basis of this journey. So we are going to take live birth charts and we are going to check position of planets and home planet, position of zodiac and home positions, path of internal journey of planets and path of internal journey of zodiac signs, and reading of internal journey. All this we are going to do in the reading. Okay. And once we do the reading of actual birth charts, this we will be doing for all the you know, what you will say, random dummy birth charts. And we will understand what exactly happens. And at the end, in the last 5 sessions, what we are going to do is reading of the birth chart, relation, attitudes, health, and success. For all these things, we are going to read the birth chart. How we are going to check that? You are going to check the birth chart problems and ailments and stress and obstacles. We are going to see all these. And then limits of readings. In general, what are the limits of reading? In the traditional astrology and in the chakra astrology, both. We are going to check out because we are not going to be gods. Understand that. And then how we are going to predict the chakra astrology through the chakra astrology. And then we are going to do a complete reading of minimum 3 birth charts, actual birth charts. And then we are going to see how you are to write a birth chart report with the suggested remedies.
Okay.
Okay. You have to do all these things. Clear?
Clear.
Yes. Perfect. All right. So these are all the things we are going to do in all the total 40 sessions.
Okay.
One by one. We have done a few things. Whatever things we have not done, we are going to do them further.